Here we go, and this one's destined to be a human demolition derby.
Nice reversal by the champ.
Struggling for control. Got him around the waist.
Cesaro making a move.
Look out. Boy, he was able to reverse and get out of that. He was able to reverse that. Oh, wait, nice reversal. Nice reversal by the champ.
Reversal. Cesaro showing his prowess.
And there's the reversal. He gets out of trouble there.
Oh boy, here's Cesaro wreaking havoc.
Nice reversal there. Oh, man.
Can you believe that impact? One word describes this assault. Punishment. He's absolutely punishing his opponent here.
Cesaro not letting up.
He anticipated that move perfectly.
He put all his weight behind that.
What a match. Momentum has shifted back and forth repeatedly between these superstars.
Oh, man, that's got to hurt. Oh, mama.
He almost took his head off with that lariat. He saw that one coming.
And down he goes. Hey now. Nice reversal by the champ.
Look at this.
You've got to be kidding me.
Devastating. Simply devastating. And he kicks out. We're having a great time here at SummerSlam. Thank you again for joining us. A textbook reversal. Can he follow up? Oh, a big fall out of the way.
After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future.
And he gets tossed back in the ring. And he reversed it.
Good move there.
Cesaro switches it up.
Yeah, this Cesaro seems to have an answer for every move in the book. Look out! That's it. He's out.
He could hit his opponent right here. He's going to take a chance here.
Oh, no!
Look at those eyes.
Oh, yeah, this could be big. Look out! Man, there's no getting up from that.
Shoulders down.
Timber, and he falls hard.
Moving on pure instinct now. should do it right there.
Oh, going to the top, high risk. This guy's just getting, watch out. I'm not sure. It would have missed like that. I'm wondering if he has something in his eye.
A monumental move by Cesaro.
We got to cover.
2, 3.
All good things must come to an end. But I wish that match could have gone on a little longer.
And here's just some of the action we saw during the match. We got a couple of highlights here. Let's check them out. Let's take a look back at some of the big highlights. You want to talk about incredible high-impact sports entertainment? Check out what happened during this match.
Here is your winner, Cesaro.
An emotional victory here tonight.
Man, oh man, what a battle.